Hello, welcome to today's vid. Today I'm going to be attempting to change the handlebars on my Honda Zoomer, Honda Ruckus if you like. If you've followed any of my vids before, you'll know this isn't like a big build vid. It's just more of a joy of owning a Honda Zoomer than anything else. I'm just chilling in my garden at the minute because that's just where I do all my work on my bike. So, let's get on with it. Maybe I should do a let's roll the credits. So at the moment, the bike is fitted with the standard stock handlebars. And this is what I'm gonna put on. So that way. One of the ideas, the reason I want to drop the bar is because I keep my bike in a shed in my back garden, like locked away, and the handlebars are actually so wide that it only just fits through the gap. I have to kind of drive through the gap at an angle to get it in. So one of the reasons why I want new handlebars, apart from just to make it look a bit cooler, is it's going to reduce the width of the bike and hopefully that'll make it get it in and out a lot easier. So I've never obviously attempted anything like this before. Presumably I'll take the controls off. Hopefully they'll come off quite easy. Then just undo the bolt and hopefully that will just pull off. I have to disconnect the speedos presumably. As all the wires go through, there's a little cage on the handlebar here where all the wires go through, and in order to try to have as less faffing about and disconnecting things as possible, I simply slice through the cage so that the wires will just come through, and they're tied together with a little belt on them. I've been like that for a little while, ready to go. So it's a matter of taking it all apart and seeing where we go from there. So one thing about the controls is they just have a couple of screws hold them together. I believe it's a Japanese standard screwdriver and you can ruin them quite easily if you use the wrong screwdriver. Luckily for me, I've got the right screwdriver, is kept in my seat, come with the bike, and that fits quite nicely. So they actually came apart and came off really easy. I'm quite surprised by that. Quite pleased. These have little holes in them which hold the controls in place. There's a little thing in there, well, on the other one. So there's a little knob here which holds that in place to stop it spinning. So on my new bars I'm going to have to drill a hole, or the other thing you can do is you can grind that off. I haven't got a grinder, so I will be drilling a hole. Yeah, so as I say, I come apart really easy. I'm quite surprised. So now I'm just gonna cut these so that this is all free, and then undo the nut. So it was 70mm on one side, 40mm on the other. This is the bit that makes me the most nervous. Gonna try to lift this off and put on the new ones. That's the bars off. There's the bars. I'll figure out how the new ones go on. I got the left ones on. I'm not entirely sure I got them exactly how I would have preferred them to be. So now I'm just doing the right ones. I've drilled the hole ready for it to go. Wired it up and see. I got a new grip on that side. I haven't put a new grip on that side because these grips are about that much longer, which is annoying. Yeah, whack it on, see how we go. So I haven't done a brilliant job. As you can see, this one is way further down than this one. Only a couple of mil maybe, but it's enough to make it noticeable. I think maybe the bars moved in between doing this one and that one, and I didn't notice and was just an idiot. Other people, less idiots. You can see that one is lower than that one. Other than that, the bars look cool. Got a lot of wiring that I need to sort out. Needs to be, I think I'd have to take the battery box off and just kind of tuck it all in a bit better. Right, so it's all installed. But now I've discovered that the brake is on. Like really on. So I'm gonna take the battery box out and see if the cables are kind of kinked in some way. Okay, I think I've got the brakes freed up. It's definitely turning now. So, put it all back together again. So the sunshine didn't last. In fact, rain stopped play. But I got everything done that I wanted to do. I'll show you what I'm doing. It's all bolted up. It's all tidied up. The floor's back on. I've tested it, all works. I do need to take it out for a test drive. But that's it. That's the bike with the lowered handlebars. So apart from the hassle with the rear brake, which probably could still be adjusted somehow, but yeah, other than that, it all went really well, and I'm very pleased. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can leave any comments below, let me know what you think. And I'll see you next vid. Bye.